Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on the application of ESPN. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about ESPN and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of ESPN. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't forget